What up? This is Felix Rodriguez from Photoshop Video Tutorials, and today we're going to learn about basic things about text. So let's go on and get started. So we're going to go and create a new layer and select the T box. That's for text. You have two options, horizontal text and vertical text. We're going to go on and click the horizontal text. Let's go on and type hello. Let's move this a little bit to the center. There you go. Let's go select on the T box again, highlight our text. Here is where you could control the font size to make it bigger or smaller. This is where you can make it center more to the left or to the right. This is where you select the color. Let's go ahead and make this blue. Okay. Now let's go ahead and change the font style. You go here and you select what kind of style you want your text to be. Let's go ahead and pick impact. Okay. Now this is where it gets interesting. We're gonna go and right click, pick blending options. In the first page you can pick the blend mode and control the opacity, making it more visible or not. Next is the drop shadow. This is to add shadow to your text. You can also control the opacity of that and also select the angle and where you want the shadow to be going. You can control the distance of the shadow, the spread of the shadow, and you can also control the size of the shadow. Okay, next is the inner shadow. It's pretty much the same thing, but it's a shadow inside the text and not outside the text. Next is our glow. Let's make this normal so you can see the actual glow. It's a little light, so let's change the color. Hopefully you can see that yellow. Let's make it a little bigger. There you go. It's a little glow. Yeah, there's also an inner glow, which does the same thing except it glows inside the text. Next is bevel, which adds these features to your text. There's different kinds, so you can go and play around with that. Alright, now here it adds some sort of effect inside the text. You can also play around with the settings there. Next is the color overlay, another way to change the color of your text. Let's see if it's a blue. Next is it's pretty much the way you can add two colors to your text. Let's say if you wanted this red and green. You can scale it, you can angle it, and you can also do three colors. As many colors as you want. You can just mess around with the settings. And here are some other options what you can do besides linear. You can do angular, you can do diamond. There's a whole bunch of options. Here is patterns. You can put this inside your text. You can upload your own pattern, or you can use some of the ones that it gives you. Here is stroke, where it gives a little outline to your text. Of course, you can do more things if you mess around with the settings. You can do whatever your imagination wants. But let's go ahead and put a little shadow here, and this is what else you can do. You can put a little arc to your text. Let's go and see how this looks without it being highlighted. There you go. There are more options, of course. You can make it vertically, but let's put it back to horizontal. You can also control the settings, and there's other options. You put a little wave. There's a whole bunch of things you can do. But yeah, enjoy. Be creative. Do what you want. This is just some tips on how to mess around with text. Alright, enjoy. Tune in to more tutorials. Bye.